Welcome to Quvy, your shortcut to smarter ad testing. This is a quick walkthrough of Quickstart, the fastest way to test your ad creatives before they go live, so you can launch with confidence and save money. Let's get started. You can access the Quickstart tab anytime, right from your dashboard. To begin, just upload your ad creative or choose one you've already added. Let's go with these static images we uploaded earlier. Next, you'll have the option to select your targeting. You can add details like age, gender, or country to see how your ad performs with a specific audience. But this step is totally optional. Let's skip it for now and go with generic targeting. If you skip targeting, Quvy uses broad audience data, just like a real paid campaign on Facebook, to show how your ad might perform overall. Now click Run Simulation and let Quvy's AI go to work. Behind the scenes, it predicts how your ad will perform, before anyone ever sees it live and without spending your ad campaign budget. It usually takes a few minutes to run, depending on your creative and settings. Now, let's take a look at the results. You'll see two sets of winning ads. Best Creative by CTR shows the top performer based on user engagement for your selected targeting. Best Creative by Ad Quality gives each creative a score from 0 to 100, showing how well it performs with a broad audience. Below that, you'll find a detailed performance table with estimated metrics like click-through rate, CPM, and more. You'll also see a full campaign summary. Quvy's AI also gives you tips on how to improve your ad creative, like what's working, what to fix, and which version is most likely to perform best. That's it. Quickstart is now live for all users. Try it today, free at Quvy.com.